Good morning sa buntag. Nata diri karon sa Tupi CDO, diri sa 1115 Street, Nazareth. Barber Studios here in Cagayan de Oro City. Wala pa sila nag-open. They are sharing a space with Amber Project, an art cafe. So something na we should really look forward to. So tara, sulod ta. So, arin na takaroon, kauban nato si Francis, the man behind Tupi. Bye, pwede pa introduce mo yung sarili.
Good morning sa buntag. Thank you for visiting Tupi CDO, no? I'm Francis Gidaben, owner of Tupi CDO. Yeah, so quick background, siguro I've been cutting hair for 1 year pa ko gagupit. If mao na yung question, mga 1 year pa gyud. Bago pa kayo.
Given a very new ka into barbering, pero what motivated you into opening your own studio?
So, way back 3 years ago, I think 2 years ago, or almost 3 years, I went to Australia and dito nagsugod ako ang barbering na career. Di siya career, maraming siya hobby na, interest lang ba. Na I find it na, magkakorta ko, ani diri sa Australia, kaya I am a student there at the same time, go-work po ko. Nakaman sa ni believe sa ako, nga imutuos ako nga magpagupit, so akong gipadayon. And then, I have this vision nga, siguro puhon, kay ganahan man po kong kape. I'd like to build a studio. Puhon, wala lang. At if makapundar ko gamay, and then makamake ko akong own nga studio with coffee shop. Initially, this is the name of the shop should be Tupi and Kape. Kaya I'd love to drink coffee and then gaalot, pwede na ko serban akong mga kliyente, maragana ba? And then, here comes my friends here in Amber Project, which is, naa sila yung shop. Pag uli na ko gikan sa Pinas, wala po ko nagupit dayon. So, I was snooze ko ba? Okay. Taod-taod lang, ana. Na-inspire ko silang studio. Nice kayo lang studio, cozy kayo. So, mo to, nagka-idea ko, what if mag-build ko akong shop? And imagine, that was almost 3 years ago nga vision. Naa pa siya sa akong MacBook na nakabutang. Kaya nag-present ko sa akong barkada. Na, puhon, magbuhat ko ginani. So, I'll present you. Tanawa daw akong vision. Anak ko yung vision, ani. Maragana ba?
So basically, from Australia, it was already a work in progress, no? It's inspiring gani to see up and coming na mga barbers to really push for what they have in mind for their vision para ma-achieve nato, no? Given na this is a very intimate place, by small kay siya, intimate kay ka with the people. What do you think is special about this place of yours?
Nice. So, obviously, this place is very comforting. I don't know, that's the feedback of most of my clients who are kanang nakaari na diri, no? And siguro what's unique about this is something new in sa CDO, not just in CDO, but for me, sa ako lang, we're in a place that is so intimate and at the same time so comforting na to the point wherein you are free to do your thing, like maari ka diri nga di ka mauwaw, be yourself lang, because of course we are appointment basis. So this is really something na ma-appreciate nimo kay private, wala kay kauban, not unless na kay kauban nga ubanon diri, no? Pag ari nimo dinhi, ako yung pa-feel na ko ang comfort, pa-feel na ko ang openness sa chair. Wherein that is one of the reason nga nung na ako ito PCDO. I'd like to promote a chair that is so open, judge-free chair wherein you can vent out your worries, imong kasapot sa karon nga adlaw, imong ka-stress karon nga adlaw. This is not the typical barbershop no nga imong makita wherein magpakat lang gid kag hair. But this is my way and God's way, building a ministry wherein I can share God's word. Na even those who are tired, those who are kanang gabi ka feel bad about their life. So this is the chair where open kayo ang tanan para at least kung gusto mo mag-share, this is a judge-free chair, and at the same time very open for you guys kung ginahanglan mo nga maminaw. Nay maminaw sa inyo, ha.
Okay, so that was well said, no? Taga CDO, mga silingan sa CDO, inimbitahan ta mo to visit this very cozy place called Tupi CDO. This is again Francis. Franz, before we end this conversation, naalala ko ihatag sa imo, ha? Brother, so I'll be giving you this complete line, this Armory complete set, grooming products na to, no? So, kanina itong mga products is gusto na ko ipatry sa inyo, ha?
Perfect.
Then hopefully give me some feedback about this. Let's see how we could make this better. So again, bay, salamat kayo na kay client nagahulat sa imo ha.
Thank you.
We'll be shooting clips sa imo pangalot.
Once again, thank you kayo sa products, brother. Appreciate it.
Salamat pod. Bye, invite them.
So everyone, once again, I'd like to invite you to follow to PCDO on Instagram and try to check on my Instagram as well para at least kung hindi niyo makita, it's just in my bio.
Okay.
Francis Gidabin on Instagram, and of course, the landmark of this shop will be 1115 Street, right beside Amber Project Tattoo Studio. So I'll see you around, guys, and thank you so much.
Salam.